Hi guys, today we've got another video. This is an exciting mod review. I know the mod is already out, but you can kind of see it and you kind of know that it's one of a rare car in England. I think that's in all countries, I think. A Bugatti. That's what it is. Here it is. It's a Bugatti Chiron, I think. I don't know if I've pronounced it right, but sorry if I haven't. So I have a job pronouncing that word. Comment if I've got it right or wrong. You can just comment. For this mod, it's going to be very technical to install stuff. So I'll put a card up on how to install extras to mods. I'll put a card up on the screen right now. This is a very exciting mod. You're not ever going to see one of these on YouTube. It's a Bugatti. I do like. So I'm a bit speechless, guys. I like the style of the front of that. I love the style. The yellows. That's an extra, by the way. And the pop-up spoiler. That's extra on the exterior. You can get inside. We have blue interior. It's just very basic middle. It's got even no radio. But it's £1 million car. You'd think it'd have more than just that. That's my opinion, by the way. Ah, radio controls. Didn't see that. Little button on the steering wheel for the engine. That's probably quite of an expensive thing. These are about £1 million. It's not just a few thousand. It's about £1 million. You have to be a millionaire to buy one of these. Just start it up. Start her up. You heard that there. You excited to go for a ride in this? This is really quick, guys. I'm not even the gas in it. I'm just gonna brake. I'm not even gassing this. I should. Look, there's a bit of gas. As you see, it starts to shoot off, don't it? You really have to watch your right foot in this. I'm just slow up. These are my mod review days, by the way. I only do one on a Sunday and 3 on the rest of the days. So I'd have to be back for the week. Can't wait, can I? I'm enjoying this. I think it's better to do it in the week, I don't know why. And one day of the week. Got this stuck. That is so easy to get stuck. I'm not going to even try it. It's that waste my time. Starting it again, by the way. You notice I premiere my videos, you know. I do premiere them. I do that because I just think it's a good idea. Oh, that is really good. See that? Just quick. But off. Ready? There you go. I'll show you a bit of it round here. You watch the speedo. If you want miles an hour, look at the game speedo. On the top left hand side, there's a speedo. It's in miles an hour. If you want to know how many kilometers, look at the car speedo. It's a very technical dash. Right. 3, 2, 1, go. Shocked up, isn't it, guys? Come I'm doing it down here too. Watch that again for this room. Quick. Right. 3, 2, 1. But before we go, I'm going to put a card up for how to install texture mods. Right now. 3, 2, 1. Go. That if numbers are involved now. It's a bit of a glitch, I think. I'm not really bothered, guys. The road can't shut the traffic off in it. I'm enjoying it. I'm just gonna stop here. Right now, I'm gonna do it all the way along the freeway. You'll see how quick it increases to 70. And I'm proud. That did not count. Right, so race on the motorway. 3, 2, 1, go. Not doing very well, guys. It's really lagging. Sorry about that. It's really lagging. I'm just gonna start that again. Miles an hour. Nearly twice the speed of our roadway. Nearly 100 miles an hour above the Volvo's top speed. Not twice the speed. Twice the speed of the van, definitely. Line. These cars are built for speed. I enjoy this. It's a good car. Come on, you good car. I keep crashing. Well, I got stuck on. I'm not having any luck with this car. I keep having accidents. Because I'm not used to a fast car, guys. Sorry if I started all this again. The first time you've ever seen me as this bad. That having to start and drive again. Yeah, it's probably a nuisance for you guys. gonna make a video. You will not go very far in this. Let's try it. Do it better this time. That's the fastest thing. Faster than see. I've gone really fast so far tonight, so just back there. And a throttle. I'm gonna be a bit more careful this time. I'm enjoying this, guys. If I haven't actually get one driving down, you're probably bored, aren't you? Do know the road very well. I've got half the map. Half the map. Guys, I do have half this map. That's why now. One why I've got that straight on the I don't know what I wish it didn't. I would have loved to go down there. And if you drive down there, you just crash into an invisible wall. It's probably there for a reason. Stuck. It's not stuck to anything. What am I stuck to? I am stuck to nothing. Oh well, guys. I'm not going to get to actual end spot like we usually do. Oh. But please like and subscribe, and right, that's it.